That's really nice what you made, hon.
Mommy.
Mm-hmm. Are you gonna make a smiley face? A mouth? Wow. What about my hands and my feet? Right here. Mommy's hands and feet. That's so cool, Judah. Who's this?
Daddy.
And this one?
Mommy.
And this one?
Judah.
Wow. Thank you for drawing our family, Judah. I'm happy. And who's that? What's that, Judah? Huh? Are you making a sun? What are you making, baby?
This one.
Oh, okay.
The bear.
Mm-hmm. I love your picture. That's really, really nice.
I'm making Mommy.
That's such a cool picture. And what's that?
Grandpa.
Grandpa.
Grandpa.